my people. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to Upstream Health with Ify. I hope you're all having a great day. So today here comes to you the all awaited video of Nigella sativa. Okay, so I got a lot of questions on this, and I just wanted to make sure I give you guys the right information. Okay, I know there are a lot of research, evidence-based research on the effect or the benefits of Nigella sativa. So what is Nigella sativa? So Nigella sativa, you can look at this, it's what we call the black cumin seed or the black seed oil, the kalanji, and some people call it just cumin. So cumin seed, cumin oil. This is the oil here, and I have the seed here, very tiny black seed, and this is just my own concoction. This is just honey in here. So what is Nigella sativa? So when you want to search this up online, make sure you're typing Nigella sativa or black cumin seed or black cumin oil. So the black cumin seed, so for this video you hear me say Nigella sativa. So this Nigella sativa is native to Southwest Asia, Eastern Europe, Middle East, and this powerful seed and oil is Asian. It's been used for a very, very long time, and people have always wondered why this is called prophetic medicine. So in one of the religious books, the prophet did state that this actually cures all diseases except death. So for you to know how powerful this is and why it is called the prophetic medicine. So why is this called a prophetic medicine? Because it has the potential on active ingredients to cure a lot of ailments. So let's start from one that we all want to hear. This seed, this oil, it has the potential to prevent and to cure cancer. So when I say it has the potential and the ingredients or the active ingredients called thymoquinone and also quercetin, it has this bioactive ingredients in them that even research has stated that it has the ability or the potential to cure cancer, to kill cancer cells without affecting the healthy cells of the body. Two, Nigella sativa also has the potential for being antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and it also has the ability for improving lipid and glucose metabolism. So which means with Nigella sativa we can control high blood pressure, we can control diabetes, we can control cholesterol in the blood. And with Nigella sativa, in the ancient times, they use it for beauty, which means in the hair, for your hair, for the skin, for even for treatment, like for oral health, for mood, anxiety, and depression. It can be used for cold. And again, so during the COVID period, there are some trials online that showed that the use of Nigella sativa mixed with honey has very, very great potential for treatment for COVID, and not just COVID but other respiratory symptoms, upper respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, cough. Actually this, if you see mine here, I have it mixed in organic honey here, and this honey I got it right from Nigeria. So if you look at it, you see how thick it is. So this I use for my kids, like during cold when they have like rhinitis, cold respiratory conditions. So I use this a lot for cold. So like I was saying, Nigella sativa has the potential of taking care or treating respiratory symptoms, like I said, COVID, cough, bronchitis, asthma. And another powerful ability that this seed and oil has is its ability to improve mood, like I said, in depression, anxiety, and also sleep. With people who find it difficult to sleep, this is also helpful to induce and maintain quality sleep. And with Nigella sativa also, I just want to make a disclaimer here before I go into the video. So disclaimer here is, please do not consume this without speaking to your primary care provider, because Nigella sativa is very, very, very active, that it can interact with other medications. Say if you're on anticoagulant like like warfarin, the Coumadin, like if you're on Xarelto, like medications that are anticoagulant, which means to prevent clots. So if you take this medication with it, you are at risk of bleeding out. So it's very, very active, that it can potentiate the activities of other medications. Even with blood pressure, it can make your blood pressure down. So you're also checking your blood pressure. So make sure you do not consume this without contacting your primary care provider, without speaking to your primary care provider. Okay, so make sure you're speaking to your primary care provider before you start this. And again, disclaimer, this is all that I'm giving here is for informational purposes, not for treatment. Okay, so like I said, make sure you speak to your primary care provider before you try any of this out. Okay, and then so let's go again. I'm gonna do a different video of the different ways that you can use Nigella sativa. That's gonna be in a different video. I don't want this video to be too long, but here let's talk about the properties of Nigella sativa, or the mechanism of actions of Nigella sativa in controlling high blood pressure, in controlling blood glucose, in controlling cholesterol, and even obesity. So it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help control obesity. Okay, so let's talk about in blood pressure. Nigella sativa acts like a calcium channel blocker, which means it's going to relax your blood vessels, and blood is going to flow freely in your blood vessels. The mechanism is not actually unclear, but they know that the properties, the active or the bioactive ingredients found in Nigella sativa, the thymoquinone, the quercetin, the zinc, the vitamin C, a lot of other bioactive ingredients helped in relaxing your blood vessels and controlling your blood pressure. For blood glucose, Nigella sativa also has the ability of improving insulin release from your pancreas, improving insulin sensitivity, which means your muscles, your tissues are able to remove the excess glucose in your blood. So it increases sensitivity and also reduces the absorption of cholesterol through your intestine, through the intestine. And also Nigella sativa also helps to increase the LDL receptors. If you've watched my video on cholesterol, I did mention that the bad cholesterol, the LDL, is what we don't want a lot in our blood. So Nigella sativa increases the ability of your liver to remove excess cholesterol from the body. Okay, and with I spoke about cancer, its activity in cancer, destroying cancer cells without affecting your own healthy cells. So Nigella sativa is a very, very potent medicine. So that's why it's called the prophetic medicine. And in the next video, I'm gonna tell you guys the different ways that you can use this seed, Asian seed and oil. See you there. Bye-bye.